Watch this.
Remixing in cooling sand, horizon pulse with open hand.
I made it using Tunee AI, which promises to be a professional music producer living inside your computer, one that actually understands your ideas and turns them into full tracks and songs in minutes. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Tunee AI to create an entire song, lyrics, vocals, instruments, everything, even if you've never made music before. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a caption box right in the center, and this is where you describe your song in plain text and explain the vibe you're going for. I'm pasting my prompt here to generate an upbeat pop track. There's also an option to upload files and a fast mode, but we'll come to it later. Click Start Cooking and another interface will open. On the left, you'll see a chatbot that shows all the progress in real time. On the right, you'll see your workspace, where every generated song will appear. First, Tunee gives you 4 options to choose what style of song you want: classic pop, modern electro-pop, an empowerment anthem, or a mix of all of them. I'm curious to see how they all sound, so I'm selecting the 4th option. It takes a little time to generate everything: lyrics, music, vocals, but once it's done, the songs start showing up in the workspace. For every genre, it creates 2 versions, so you can choose whichever feels right.
Alarm clock screaming at 8:30. We left the dishes in the sink again. Tires screech on wet asphalt.
Honestly, they all sound surprisingly good and way more polished than what most AI music generators produce. These could easily work as background songs for vlogs or social media posts. Next, I want to try the fast mode on Tunee AI. I'll paste my prompt again. Fast mode really speeds things up because it takes full creative control, genre, style, everything, and focuses only on the details you put in your prompt. The generation process is noticeably quicker, and again, it gives you 2 finished songs.
Streetlights blink their last goodbye. My shadow stretches long and thin. Keys jingle like a quiet vow. No one's waiting good.
The only difference is that Tunee takes over the creative direction on its own, and you can hear it in the results. My prompt was for dark music, and that's exactly what it created. Now, what if I told you that you can upload any kind of image, type a short music idea with it, and Tunee AI will make music that matches the style of that image? That's what I'm going to show you next. I'm pasting my music idea here and uploading an image of a couple on the beach. Click on Start Cooking, and the AI will start analyzing the key elements it needs for your track based on both your prompt and the image. Then, just like before, you'll choose your style. This time, I'm choosing the second option, melodic liftoff. Once the music is generated, you'll notice that this time it didn't add lyrics automatically. That's because it depends on your prompt. If you want lyrics, you can simply ask the AI in the chat. It will also ask whether you want to keep the same melody or create a new one. I'm choosing to keep the same melody to test how the tool behaves. After a short wait, the songs are ready. When I listened to them, the first one didn't have lyrics yet, but the second one did, and it sounded just as good as I was hoping. Now here's the game-changing part. You can take any specific moment from a song generated in Tunee AI and turn it into a music video. All you have to do is ask the chatbot to generate a music video for that song. It will offer you 2 models to choose from: Sora AI, which creates a 30-second video, and Vibe MV, which creates a 60-second one. I'm choosing the Sora option, which costs 45 credits. It then asks you to select the exact part of the song you want from the timeline, and after that, you choose the video style. You can go for something like a cinematic narrative or dynamic choreography. I'm starting with the narrative option. I'm choosing the pastel romance style, and it takes about 10 minutes to generate the 30-second video. And here it is.
Remixing. strength in cooling sand, horizon pulse.
It looks good, and the character stays consistent throughout. The only thing I didn't like was the ending. When the character starts swimming, it looks a bit fake, and the water feels really deep. When I chose the choreography style, the characters were consistent at the beginning, but once the scene changed, they shifted noticeably. The dance movements also lagged a bit and didn't feel very natural. So overall, the video feature still needs some improvement, but the music generation itself is genuinely impressive. And for creators who want maximum control, Tunee lets you download stems. Just hover over the music, click the three dots, and select Get Stems. Tunee downloads multiple WAV files, each one separating a different instrumental or vocal element. This is incredibly powerful because you can drop these into your DAW, your video editor, or even remix them with other software. Now let's discuss pricing. The free plan gives you 15 songs and basic video generation features to test out the platform. Paid plans start at $18 per month and give you more monthly creation capacity with full commercial rights. Overall, Tunee is a powerful music assistant. It speeds things up, sparks new ideas, and handles the repetitive parts. But the best results still come when you bring your own creativity and refine things yourself. So try out Tunee AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, watch this video next.